Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change video upload quality on Discord mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Discord application in my mobile phone, and after that we're going to go to the Discord setting. We can click on this icon and then go to the setting by tapping on the setting icon. All right, and go to the chat setting. This one guys, click on the chat and you have to scroll down until you find the video uploads. And if you want to upload best quality, you just need to select the best quality. And here I'm just going to select best quality so I can upload the best quality video to my server or to my room chat with my friend on Discord. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change the video uploads quality on Discord mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.